Greetings! PowerPoint allows you to group shapes, pictures, and other objects. Object groups enable you to rotate, flip, move, or resize them simultaneously. To group objects, hold down the Control key and click each item you want to select. Click any of the Format tab. Then in the Arrange section, select Group. To ungroup objects, select the group, then click any contextual Format tab on the ribbon. In the Arrange section, expand Group and select Ungroup.